For years, golfers believed that strength training was detrimental to their game. But swinging a club for 18 holes is physically demanding and requires the muscles to be properly conditioned. Put some power into your golf game with the Dynagolf Resistance Training System. Dynagolf uses progressive resistance band technology to create a comprehensive exercise program that can help any golfer improve their game. All it takes is just a few minutes a week. You don't need conventional exercise equipment, so you can use Dynagolf at home or the office. The complete kit includes the resistance band, along with a fully illustrated exercise chart and laminated quick reference guide. And everything fits in this compact carrying case, so you can warm up before a round. It all adds up to lower scores and fewer aches, pains, and injuries. Get the Dynagolf Advantage. It will make you fit to a T. Order yours today for just $14.95. Includes a 90-day money-back guarantee.